Good morning, student. I'm Parameshwari. Hope you are doing fine. For this year, I'm going to handle you the chemistry subject. I'm looking forward to a year of learning, fun, and adventure from you all. With full of pleasure, I'm heartily welcoming you all to be a part of our Blue Star family. Since you are all going to become my students, I hope that you will make a lot of proud to our Blue Star family, right? So now before entering into our lesson, first you have to know what are the scope, that is importance of studying chemistry. Once you have completed your higher secondary course, you have lot of opportunity to choose your career in chemistry, right? So first let us see the scope of chemistry in UG, that is BSc degree course, bachelor degree. This will be the 3-year course. The course is available on general chemistry, applied chemistry, industrial chemistry, polymer chemistry, and biochemistry. In this, any one subject you can choose as your major. Next will be the bachelor degree in engineering and technology. The courses offered like chemical engineering, plastic engineering and technology, petroleum refining and petrochemicals, ceramic technology, textile technology, leather technology, and last will be the rubber plastic technology. Here also the same, you can choose any one as your major. Depends on your own interest. The engineering course will be the 4-year course. Next will be the master degree, that is PG degree, MSc. This will be the 2-year course. The course is offered like general chemistry, analytical chemistry. See, in general chemistry, you have all the papers linked together, like organic, inorganic, physical, analytical, agricultural, environmental, gravimetric, like this. All these papers will come under general chemistry. That will be a combination. You have the knowledge of all the course. Next will be the analytical chemistry. In analytical chemistry, this fully deals with the instrumentation part. If you choose organic chemistry as your major, that fully deals with the depth of the subject, fully organic based. Like the same for inorganic and physical chemistry also. Many will show interest in the specific. Suppose if 5 subjects are there, in that some of them will score lot of marks in a particular subject. That's because they have the interest in that specific subject. Like that, the same, you can choose your major in any one part. Next will be the nanoscience and nanotechnology, applied chemistry. It is applied chemistry course fully based on the principles and theories. Okay. Next will be the industrial course. You all know, that is, you are all aware of lot of industries in our surroundings, right? So some of them like food industry, polymer, rubber, plastic, paint, textile, like that, etc. Many industries are available. Next will be the medicinal chemistry, drug chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry. Now we'll move on to the master degree in engineering and technology, that is ME, MTech course. Courses offered like polymer science and technology, industrial safety, and hazard management. Master degree course is for 2 years. Next will be the MPhil course. It is Master in Philosophy. You can choose your major in General Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry, Applied Chemistry, Industrial Chemistry, then Crystal Science. Any one based on your own interest. You can also pursue your higher education in research field also. That is simply PhD course. Courses like organic synthesis, inorganic complexes, electrochemistry, green chemistry, nanotechnology, and so on. That is based on your own interest. You can choose any particular field and you can proceed your research. Next will be the careers in chemistry. So many opportunities are available to choose your career. So once you have completed your UG and PG degree course, you can choose your career as a teacher to work in any school and also as a professor. If you complete your doctorate or else you clear your NET exam, you have the opportunity to choose your career as a professor to work in any college and in universities. Next will be the lab chemist. That is as a QC, QA or production chemist. Can have the opportunity to write many competitive exams. Some of them like TNPSC, bank exam. You all know lot of banks are available. In that you can choose any bank, you can write any bank exam and you can proceed your career. Then UPSC, GATE exam, Railway Recruitment Board, etc. And the industry related jobs. Many industries are there like plastic, petrochemical, agrochemical, paint, etc. In any industries you can choose and proceed your career. The next will be the forensic science department, or else military department. You can also serve your career in any kind of department. Then food processing firms, government job also you can try. Then as a chemical scientist, if you choose your career in scientist, you have to do a lot of research. Depends on your own interest, you have the opportunity, right? So lot of opportunities are available if you choose chemistry as your major. So that everything depends on your interest. If you have the interest in subject, definitely you have the opportunities like this. Okay. So with this I will end up my session. In next class we'll see another important topic. Okay. Thank you all.